What is going on, guys? I am Henry and this is
Maya,
and we are Relatively Rich Life, and we are participating in a two-part camp cookout challenge. Did I say that right?
Yeah.
On the first part is going to be us along with Forever Trippin', Love by Camping, and All About the Banks. Really good channels. We will put all the links in the description, and on day 2 there's going to be 4 other channels. We will also add them in the description below. This is actually our second time participating in this type of challenge, which we were probably the unofficial winners of the first one, right? No Psych.
We were definitely not the winners, guys. We had probably the most bootleg recipe.
We had the most basic the basic one. Yeah.
But anyway, if you are new to our channel and you've never been here before, we basically do RV and van life content along with tutorials, hacks, resort reviews, and also I love cooking on our Blackstone griddle. Henry calls me the Blackstone Queen, but to be honest, I'm the most basic cook out there. So this camp cookout challenge really is a challenge for me because I'm really not a cook. So with that being said, for today's camp cookout challenge, our challenge was to do a dessert. And for our dessert, we wanted to keep it super simple. So you really only need 3 things. You're gonna need Oreo cookies, crescent dough, like in the Pillsbury can, and an air fryer. So those 3 things you'll need to do our recipe. So without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, so for today's camp cookout challenge, we are going to be doing a dessert using just 2 ingredients, Oreos and crescent rolls. So for this recipe, you will need an air fryer, and that's it. Your 2 ingredients and an air fryer. Let's get started. So for this recipe, I picked up the butter flake crescent rolls. Now you don't have to use the butter flavor, but I figured it would just, taste better. The worst part about using these crescent rolls or any of these Pillsbury canned biscuits is opening the package. It literally startles me every time. I don't know about you guys, but I really don't like doing this part. Oh, I don't know why. Okay, that actually was not that bad. So all you're gonna do is grab some Oreos and basically place them on your crescent rolls like this. Alright, so you got those all set up, and then you're just gonna cut across and create little squares. Like that. So the next step is you're gonna wrap up your little Oreo babies as if they were in a little blanket like such. Little Oreo babies. And what we're going for here is like a deep fried Oreo, but obviously it's in the air fryer, so we want healthy Oreo snacks.
Sounds like an oxymoron.
Yeah, these are healthy Oreos, guys. If you're looking for an all-natural vegan sweet treat. Okay, I'm kidding. This is not healthy, but whatever. Okay, so we are going to set the temperature at 390 for about 7 to 8 minutes, and you may need to play around with their settings on your air fryer to get it just to where you need it to be. So you may want to check it maybe halfway through to make sure you're not overcooking it. Alright, so I think this looks pretty good. I don't believe we need to add any more time to it. Now, it depends on the air fryer. Even with the settings that we put in, you'll want to keep an eye on it because, you know, all of these air fryers are not created equal. So here is your finished product. Now, this is where it gets interesting. You could add Nutella, you could add butter, you could add powdered sugar, you could add sprinkles, you could even do like a little dessert bar. But we are in our van and we literally have no toppings. So we're just gonna eat it just like this. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. So you've taken a bite now. What do you think? What's your take?
This is good. I mean, you have like the sweet inner filling, and then you have the nice little like flaky factor on the exterior. Give it a 10.
A 10, wow. I think I would give it an 8. It would definitely be better if it has more toppings. So guys, again, air fryer Oreos with crescent rolls and Oreos. That's it. Super easy, done in roughly 10 minutes. If you want to spruce it up, go ahead and get those extra toppings and you'll have yourself the easiest camping dessert there is if you have an air fryer.
Agreed.
So guys, we hope you enjoyed this camp cookout challenge, the air fried Oreo dessert. And if you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to check out all the other channels that are participating in the challenge. We will leave every channel below so you can click it very easily, find it, leave a comment, and
let them know who won. Okay? Let them know.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, we need you to cook something for the next camp cookout challenge.
I got other responsibilities.
Henry does not like cooking at all. That makes 2 of us. Anyway, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video and we hope to see you back again on our channel.
Peace.